Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we gonna make a restoration of these two classic phones. On my left hand, this is Nokia 5030. On my right hand, this is Nokia 1202. Come up with first is the Nokia 5030. This one was officially released in June 2009. Speaking of this phone, in 2011, my sister bought this phone. She used it for 2 years before passing down to me. 5 years later, the central button started falling down and got lost. I had to use pens to play the roles as a new central button. By the beginning of 2018, the 7 years old replacement battery turned to death. It makes this phone such a like this, and here I will show you the inside look. This was took from my old Nokia 2700, and I think it's high time for us to replace all the component of this phone. Because of the lack of stock, so I have to buy another that phone to take the housing and then replace it into our phone today. Using the working battery, we can see that the phone have a broken screen, so that I think it is suitable for us to take out the housing and giving a new life for a working one. Firstly, we will slide beside the edge of the phone so that we can peel off the upper surface, and with that done, we are on the halfway. We will do the same with this phone, and this time it's a bit more easier because I have torn it down for several times. Back in the day when I was in the grade 9, I used to use a pencil or pen to control the phone so that it leaves it left some kind of marks on here, and we will use alcohol to clean it. After that, let's wrap it and we got a complete phone. On the old parts will be classified and sent to the local NGO that responsible for recycling. Speaking of battery, I bought a old but good health battery to put in, and let's turn it on for checking. And it works, and we are done for half workflows today. This is Nokia 1020, and I will leave a link to let you guys know about it. But long short story, this phone was in the washing machine to wash, and it turns out some cause a death in the battery even when we attempted to replace it by a new one. So today I will replace the housing and the battery. So, and let's see what's gonna be. This one is a new replacement. Is the OEM for sure, and yeah. Firstly, peel it up from here. And we should put in new housing. and after that I will put in new battery for it and we done. So this is today videos. Two phones are already restored and I sold it for money for upcoming projects. I think that I need to improve more in the upcoming project, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can see each other in the upcoming projects, and see you soon. Bye.